In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable privacy chat on Imo. If you've previously enabled privacy chat for a conversation in Imo and now want to switch it back to a regular chat, the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in real time on your phone. To begin, open the Imo app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your conversations. From here, find and open the chat where privacy chat is currently enabled. This is important because the setting is managed inside the specific conversation, not from the general app settings. Once you're inside the privacy chat conversation, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see the three-dot menu icon. Tap on that to open the conversation options. This menu contains additional settings related to that chat, including the privacy controls you need. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Privacy Chat, or, in some versions of the app, Chat Privacy. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your app version or device, but it should be clearly related to the chat's privacy mode. Tap that option to continue. You'll now see the setting that controls privacy chat for this conversation. Turn the feature off. This action disables the extra privacy mode and changes the conversation back to a normal chat. In some cases, Imo may ask you to confirm your choice before the change is applied. If a confirmation message appears, simply approve it to continue. Once that's done, the chat will return to normal mode. That means the privacy chat feature is no longer active for that conversation. If you don't see the change right away, give the app a moment to refresh or briefly close and reopen the conversation. A helpful tip is to make sure your app is updated if the menu looks different from what you expect. App layouts can change slightly over time, but the basic process remains the same. Open the chat, tap the three-dot menu, go to the privacy option, and switch it off. And that's all it takes to disable privacy chat on Imo. If you found this walkthrough helpful, you can replay it and follow each part on your screen step by step.